What's the year, make, and model of this Jeep, sir?
It's a 2000 Jeep Grand Cherokee.
2000 Jeep Grand Cherokee.
Laredo.
Doing an oil change today. If you guys are looking for that oil filter, it's actually side mounted. It's kind of strange on this inline. Looks like an inline engine right here. So, that right? Inline?
Yeah.
6, something like that.
6 V6 4.0.
Something like that. Well, and I'll show you the drain bolt. It's coming out right now. He's a little overdue on oil change, so you'll see how dark this fluid is. Let's see. This is the oil pan. There's a transmission pan back there on this model. It's not terrible. It's pretty thick and black. That's not the worst I've seen.
You want me to loosen the
not yet, because it's gonna go all over me. Wait, let me do this. Oh, open the dipstick and the oil, like the oil cap.
Yeah.
Take that off.
Okay.
It opens the air.
That's close.
Yeah. You hear it?
Yeah.
Jesus. It's like super thick oil.
I put a...
When you're taking off your oil filter, make sure you see the O-ring there, because if you don't, it could be stuck
on
there, which is going to cause a leak when you put your new oil filter on, because you're going to have two gaskets, and it's going to leave a space. That's a mechanic tip trick. Who's at the ponies? 5-0. First one, stick shift. Versus the Subaru WRX, pretty fun. I didn't get to really put the power down, but no, that's pretty clean. You get the start up, push start. You get the start up, push start. One more time.